When I see you, a vanity lurks in your eye.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gary Elise. Today I'm going to do a tutorial on how I do my ponytails. So first I'm just going to start off with some water. I just have a spray bottle filled with water, and I'm just going to spray my hair. Right now my hair is just stretched, so I'm just going to spray this water in my hair to help set the gel, and also to make my hair a little bit more pliable as I put my hair into a ponytail. So I'm just gonna go through. I'm not gonna make my hair soaking wet. I'm just making it a little damp. Next, I'm going to take some moisturizer. I'm going to be using, it's kind of like a grease that's called Natural Oasis. It's really good stuff, has all types of great oils in it, including castor oil, coconut oil. So I'm just going to take some of that and put it through my hair. Any moisturizer will do. I'm just using this one because I really like it. I'm making sure that I'm getting the ends of my hair. That's really important. And also making sure I get the middle or the nape of my head, because that part's going to have, section of my hair is going to have a lot of tension. So now I'm going to take my Eco Styler gel. Ooh, you can see the shrinkage from that water. But yeah, I'm going to take the Eco Styler gel and just start putting it in my hair in an upward motion, kind of pulling it into a ponytail as I'm working it in my hair. So I'm just gonna smooth my hair down with a brush. Now I'm just putting all of my hair into a ponytail at once, but some people like to section their hair off and kind of add hair into a ponytail. Like they'll part their hair in half and put the back of their hair into a ponytail and then start adding the front onto their hair. And that kind of helps with smooth your hair down, especially natural hair. But I'm not gonna do that because I'm able to just do it all at once. So I'm just gonna take my hair, start pulling it up into a ponytail, and just smoothing my hair down with my fingers, with my hands. I'm gonna add some more gel as I go, just to get all of my hair into the ponytail and just to smooth everything down. And then just go through again with a brush, making sure my edges are right. Just kind of molding it into this ponytail. And the water is really helping me right now because it makes my hair a lot more pliable than it would be if it were dry. I'm sorry. Alright, so I'm just going to secure my hair with my hair tie. And then I'm just going to braid the ends. I might add a little bit more moisturizer to the ends of my hair because that's very important to make sure keep your ends moisturized. Next, I'm going to take my scarf and I'm going to set my hair for probably about 3 hours or so. You want to make sure that everything is dry before I add on the ponytail. So I'm just going to tie my scarf on, go watch a movie or something, and then come back and finish. Alright, so I'm back. It's been about 3 hours. So I'm just going to remove my scarf. Everything should be set and in place and smoothed down. Looks good. So now I'm going to take my ponytail. I will be using Freetress Brazilian Girl, which is kind of like a kinky textured ponytail. It looks really natural. It matches my hair pattern. It's got that wavy kind of texture. So I'm just gonna fluff it out a little bit. The ponytail has 2 combs, one on the top, one on the bottom. There's also a drawstring to help secure it onto your head. I'm going to place the ponytail on my head and just secure it, putting on the first comb in the front and then sliding in the second comb in the back. Then I'm going to take the string, the drawstring, I'm going to pull it not super tight, but just tight enough so that it's secure. And then I'm going to pull the little drawstring thingy, and then I'm going to take the rest of the string, the elastic, and wrap it around my hair. I'm gonna take the end of that elastic and just tuck it inside the ponytail. All right, we're good to go. All right, so now what I'm gonna do, just to finish off the look and make it a little neater, I'm just gonna take a little piece of hair from the back or the side, and I'm gonna use that piece and just wrap it around the beginning of my ponytail. And this just makes it look nice, makes it look a little neater, gives it that cute style. All right, what I really like about this ponytail is it's really natural. It matches my hair very well. Yeah, it just looks really nice. It looks like it could be my hair. If you have any questions or if you have any comments, please write them down in the comments section. I'll be happy to answer them. And please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye-bye.